Do you know how Prophet Ibrahim, alayhis salam, built the Kaaba? Prophet Ibrahim, alayhis salam, peace be upon him, and the building of the Kaaba, a long time ago, in the land of Makkah. Prophet Ibrahim, alayhis salam, wanted to build a house for the worship of one God. His son, Prophet Ismail, alayhis salam, helped him in this great task. They carried stones from nearby mountains. Together, they built the Kaaba with sincerity. O Allah, accept this from us. You are the all-hearing, all-knowing. Muslims around the world face the Kaaba when they pray. During Hajj, Muslims walk around the Kaaba in unity. The Kaaba is not worshipped. Allah alone is worshipped.